Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so like you all know, today being the 29th day of May 2026, we are shutting down Umuahia for Samuel Chukwueze, own star boy. Today is his mom's burial. Prophetess Dr. Mrs. Chinyere Chukwueze. So Prophetess Dr. Mrs. Chukwueze. Today is our burial, funeral service. And we are the location, we are the venue. So your celebrity MC now is there. Somehow, you know, say you go see me for stage. Anyhow, way it take me, you go see me for stage. So I have to go to Canada, I go to talk, I go to fresh. If they can work and pack it off, and somebody will be saying, now we do Umuahia. You understand? Of course, you know my name is MC Nas, and I stay inside Umuahia. So join me. Let's see how the whole, just take the ambience of the whole place. Show them the ambience. So this is entrance 1, right? This is entrance 1. Let's now go. Continue. Okay. So this is the main thing. So just you found big video both left and right. I found it here. I'm the issue. Alright, so wait, Baba.
With my soul, it is one, it is one. Okay. Latinos, as my bro, as my man, as my man. Study for another day. Camera, what's up? Are you calling me? Let's go. On the streets. Father, for me. See all the people